vibes that you're getting? Am I giving you 90s vibes? Like what, 80s, 70s? Like what's the vibes you're getting from this? Like I'm feeling what is maybe 90s? Like I'm feeling 90s vibes. But is it 90s vibes? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's all that jazz. So today I'm going to be talking to you about my 9-month update. It's already here, already. It's crazy. Time is literally flying, y'all. It just became 2021. Where's the time going? Where? I need to know. I don't have any major updates, but going on 9 months, it's not a huge change from 6 months, but there are some. So right now I'm noticing that the ends of my hair are thickening up, even more so than 6 months, which you should go ahead and check out the 6-month update, and then while you're at it, the 3-month update, and then while you're at it, the Sisterlock installation. But if you already did that, thank you for watching my videos. But for the 9 months, I am still experiencing dryness, but you know what, the dryness is more so around the edges and the perimeter of my hair versus like the center. I try to use a rosemary spray is in it, and some other oil like essential like tea tree and peppermint, what they say you can use in your hair. I have noticed some holes and probably like 2 locks, and that's it, but not anything major or concerning. And there also, I have seen some lint, but I do wear a bonnet all the time, but I have seen lint more so than I have before, and I am wearing my bonnet majority of the time because at this point I am working from home, so it's not like, you know, I'm out here in these streets all the time or nothing like that. But basically with the bonnet, it is, I really don't know, you know how you like the regular bonnets, are those really silk though? Like, is it the real silk? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, outside of that, I am wearing my bonnet. When I take a nap, bonnet. When I go to sleep, bonnet. Wake up, bonnet. Like, only time I don't have a bonnet on for the most part is if I'm leaving the house or recording a video, obviously, or I have company over. But I'm pretty much trying to protect my hair, and I do let it breathe. But when I do leave the house, I don't wear the bonnet. It's a little ratchet, but if that's what you do, then do you, boo. But also, when I went to my lock consultant, she was telling me, she was like, when you hit a year, we can start doing conditioner. So I really hope and think that that's gonna help my scalp a lot, because it probably misses conditioning. And then also, she sprayed some lock spray in my hair, like literal lock spray. And I was like, what's that? But it did help with like the dryness and everything. And she was saying, you know, it's okay. She was like, it's, you know, washing my hair every couple weeks is good. She was like, you don't want to wash it too much, of course, with locks. But I'm excited to continue to see where it goes. I feel like I'm really trying to predict my locks, so we could call it that too. But I feel like my locks are going to pretty much stay short until, I want to say like a year and a half, because we're coming up on a year in June, and who knows what can happen in the next 3 months. But because of my hair type, I think it might be a little while before they drop, if they do drop. And then as far as when they lock, they're on their way. I do love seeing this transformation. I was just rewatching my video for Sisterlocks, and I was like, ill but not ill, because I had to start somewhere. And I was like, and so a year from now, I'm probably gonna be like, I thought I had hang time then, you know. But when these get long, you can tell me nothing. But either way, I'm still loving it right now. Let me show y'all. So I did the little scrunchy look today. But as you can see, I wanted to show y'all the coil. Like, it is coiling up at the ends. It is definitely thickening up from root almost like root to middle-ish. Really, yeah, you see where it's like root to middle. Some of them are thicker than others, you know, that's how hair goes. I don't have much slippage even in the back. She be catching them tiny pieces, y'all. She catch them tiny pieces. You see the ends, like now it's like fluffier at the ends. That's how we could describe them. It's fluffier. When the lockdown is over, I'm getting my nails done the same day because I miss nails so much. No, but for real, excuse these tragic nails. I'll be getting my hair retightened as of in April. Pretty much I get my hair retightened more so every 6 weeks instead of every 4 weeks. And it lasts definitely. Now I'm working out, I've been working out more, so it's sweating more. So the new growth seems to be more, does that make sense? I guess fuzzier just because, and that's what I haven't noticed. Like, cause I see a lot of people go through like, it's just so fuzzy and I don't know what to do. Like I haven't gotten to that point. Now I don't know when that point occurs and I hope that it doesn't. But yeah, I don't really experience any too much frizziness or fuzzy, whatever you want to call it, for my locks. But anyway, that does conclude our 9-month Sisterlock update. If you are still watching this video, thank you for staying. Go ahead and click that like button, that subscribe button. Let me know how many months you have been locked, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.